Hi there. My name is Anton, and I'm happy to welcome you to my brand new channel, IT Biz Link. Today, I want to share the beginning of a very ambitious project. I'll be showing you how to build a web studio from scratch, grow it step by step, and eventually reach a steady income of $10,000 a month. On this channel, I'll openly share every part of the process, from the technical aspects of creating websites to working with clients, promoting services, and handling orders. Everything will be as transparent and honest as possible. I have been developing websites for over 15 years. During this time, I mainly worked with a Ukrainian audience. My journey began with Joomla as it was a very popular platform back then. Later, I gradually transitioned to WordPress, which became my primary tool. More than 80% of the websites I've created are built on WordPress. In addition to that, I also work with pure HTML. This allows me to create unique and flexible solutions tailored to my clients' needs. But my work isn't just about web design or development. I have extensive experience with hosting and domains, migrating websites between servers, setting up backups, integrating SSL certificates, and handling many other technical aspects that often go unnoticed but are essential for a website's functionality. When it comes to promotion, I know a bit about SEO optimization and the basics of how contextual advertising works. However, I haven't pursued this professionally, as I've been focused more on the technical side of things. Over the years, I have built websites for small and medium-sized businesses. These included online stores, business card sites, corporate portals, and personal blogs. I helped companies grow their online presence, solved design and functionality challenges, and even provided advice on how to promote their sites after launch. Now, I've decided to take a big step forward and enter the international market. This is a completely new challenge for me. Building a studio aimed at clients from all over the world is not only an opportunity for growth, but also a chance to show what can be achieved with a systematic and passionate approach to work. Starting this project has been a dream of mine for a long time. For me, it's not just a business idea, it's an opportunity to expand the boundaries of what I've been doing for over 15 years. Until now, I mostly worked with Ukrainian clients, but I've always wanted to test my skills on the international market. After all, creating websites is a universal language that's understood anywhere in the world. I also want to prove, both to myself and to others, that even in a highly competitive environment, it's possible to build a successful business from scratch. How? Through a systematic approach, leveraging modern technology and implementing innovative solutions. One of the key reasons I feel confident about this approach is my active use of artificial intelligence services. For instance, with AI tools, I can automate many routine processes, designing layouts, writing texts, analyzing keywords for SEO, and so much more. It's important to understand that AI doesn't replace human creativity. Instead, it's a tool that makes our work faster and more efficient. In this project, I plan to show you not just theoretical knowledge, but real-life examples of using AI in web development and marketing. Together, we'll create websites, analyze their performance, develop marketing strategies, and even automate order processing. My ultimate goal is to demonstrate that with the right approach to building and promoting a business, it's entirely possible to achieve a stable income of $10,000 a month. And I aim to prove this not just with words, but with real results that we'll see together on this channel. At this stage, I've already taken the first important step in launching my project. I've registered the domain itbizlink.com. This will be the main platform for attracting clients. The website will serve as the business card for my studio, and it's where I plan to showcase my services, share case studies, and demonstrate how my approach works. But for now, it's just a domain, and my next task is to create a simple yet visually appealing website. It needs to be clear and easy to navigate for visitors. My plan is to include several key sections: a description of services, a portfolio showcasing my work, and contact information for easy communication. And this is where artificial intelligence comes into play again. I'm already actively using AI tools for designing layouts, writing content, and even generating ideas for the website structure. For instance, I can quickly generate a mockup of the homepage using specialized tools and then fine-tune it to suit my needs. In future videos, I'll show the entire website creation process. You'll see how I choose the design style, set up content, and integrate tools for client feedback. I'll also share how AI can automate some routine tasks, saving time and allowing me to focus on what really matters. My first step is to create a website that will not only be a platform for services, but also an example of what can be achieved by combining knowledge, experience, and cutting-edge technologies. Everything I'm doing as part of this project is my personal initiative as a freelancer. My goal is to build a successful business from scratch, relying on my knowledge, experience, and modern technologies. This means I'll personally handle all stages, from creating the website to finding clients and promoting services. A key aspect of this journey will be working on freelance platforms. I plan to create professional profiles, add my services, find clients, and demonstrate how to do this as effectively as possible. This process will also be part of our shared journey, and I'll show all the details, from setting up a profile to landing the first orders. This is not just about business. It's about showcasing how someone can take their skills and tools and turn them into something greater. I want to demonstrate that freelancing can be more than just a source of income. It can be a way to build something bigger, like your own studio, brand, or even an entire ecosystem for your clients. In the next videos, I will explain and show, step by step, how to build this project. Together, we'll define the niche for which we'll be creating websites, develop their design and functionality, launch ads, and find the first clients. One of the key aspects will be SEO. We'll talk about how to optimize a website so that it's not only visually appealing, but also ranks high in search engines. In addition, I'll demonstrate how to set up contextual advertising to make the most of the ad budget. Another important focus will be working with social media. We'll break down how to use social platforms to attract clients and promote a brand. I'll share my experience on how to create engaging content and connect with your audience effectively. The main thing I want to emphasize is the transparency of the process. I'll openly show all stages, from choosing tools and services to landing real orders. You'll see how I work with clients, create websites, set up ads, and analyze the results. This channel will be like a project diary where anyone can find useful tips, hacks, and real-life examples. I'm confident that my experience and results will be valuable for everyone interested in web development and freelancing. I will also focus on how artificial intelligence simplifies and speeds up many processes. For example, AI can help create website copy, analyze keywords for SEO, design layouts, or even generate ideas for social media. This saves time and allows me to focus on more strategic tasks. Not everything goes according to plan, and that's okay. I'm sure there will be mistakes or challenges, but what matters is how we solve them. In my videos, I'll also show how I analyze failures and find ways to overcome them. To move forward, it's important to have clear benchmarks. In this project, we'll track progress, the number of clients, revenue, and the quality of feedback. This will allow us to see real results and adjust our actions if something doesn't go as planned. If you're just starting your journey in web development or freelancing, these videos will be helpful for you. I'll share practical tips to help you avoid common mistakes and achieve your goals faster. I'd also be happy to answer your questions. If you're curious about anything specific, like web development, SEO, or working with clients, leave your questions in the comments. I'll make sure to address them in future videos. If you're interested in following the progress of this project, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Here, we'll cover everything from the technical details of building websites to marketing strategies and working with clients. I'd also love to hear from you. Share in the comments the challenges you face when starting your own business. It can be anything, from choosing a niche to finding your first clients. Who knows? Your experience or questions might inspire one of the upcoming videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. This way, you won't miss any new videos. There's a lot more to come. We'll dive deep into all stages of building a business, explore new tools, experiment, and achieve real results. I truly value each and every one of you who took the time to watch this video. I hope this channel becomes not just a source of inspiration, but also a practical guide to help you turn your ideas into reality.